So this is the reason I don't spend my time or energy at a gym. I'm moving food and cardboard, things that are going to be turned into compost by putting them in a big hole, dig a big hole in the ground, and fill it full of food scraps and cardboard and some dirt and sticks and leaves and chipped yard waste and anything else I can find that is going to create a good, healthy forest floor. Because I'm out here in the desert and the soil doesn't hold much organic content, right? So it can't absorb the water very well, and it works more like like a shingle than a sponge. And so by using the waste from the grocery stores, right? Because it's ripening in root instead of at the root. And so when it's on the shelf for a few days, it becomes trash because it starts to rot. And so this is probably 1,500 to 2,000 pounds of food waste. And this is the things that are just left over after my friend um, kind of he goes through it and he feeds his animals off of it. And then this is the stuff that he's not feeding his animals. So right here, yeah, that's a little bit of Tai Chi and fast forward. Um, it helps to loosen your spine back up because after you've been doing quite a bit of work, you need to make sure that you're also stretching, making sure you're taking a chance to breathe, and um, just like a gym, you're engaging, but then you're relaxing, you're recuperating, and so this is kind of an all-body workout. Um, but it also benefited in having some onions to put into the soil that were starting to grow again, right? Because that's what some of this food does. Is it wants to keep growing, but when it does that on the shelf, it becomes trash. When it does it in your garden, it becomes food. And so it's not that we have a problem with not having enough food in America. It's just that most of it's being thrown away because the cost to have it on the shelf is too high. Luckily, there is another way.